Have you ever wondered if the person you could have become is silently watching the person you are now? In those rare, unguarded moments, when the world is quiet and distractions fade away, do you sense another version of yourself lingering just out of sight? It's a question that slips in when you least expect it, echoing in the silence. It's the ghost of your unrealized potential, quietly observing your daily choices. This presence isn't loud or demanding. It simply waits, watching as you move through routines, measuring what you do against what you might have done. This question doesn't want excuses. It wants you to see the gap between your capabilities and what you've actually built. It asks you to be honest, to acknowledge the distance between your dreams and your reality, and to recognize the choices that have shaped your path. The discomfort it brings is a feature, not a flaw. It's your internal compass, urging you to course correct. That uneasy feeling is a signal, a gentle nudge to reconsider your direction and to ask yourself if you're truly living up to your own standards. The modern world is designed to distract us, to keep us from facing this question. Notifications, endless scrolling, and constant noise all serve to drown out that quiet voice, making it easier to ignore what truly matters. But the question is patient. It waits for you to stop running and finally listen. No matter how long you avoid it, it remains quietly persistent, ready to meet you in the stillness. The first step isn't to answer, just to stand still and hear it. In that pause, you begin to reconnect with yourself, and only then can you start to understand what the question truly means. We live in an invisible prison built from comfort, convenience, and constant validation. Every app and service is engineered to capture your focus, feeding you easy dopamine and endless distraction. Our attention is fractured, mistaken for productivity, while true progress demands deep, singular focus. The most insidious part, we willingly hold ourselves captive, choosing comfort over clarity. The system doesn't force us, it just makes discomfort and solitude seem unbearable. In exchange for this illusion of connection, we trade away our most precious resource, undivided attention. There's a law of achievement we try to forget. Meaningful accomplishment requires deliberate, uncomfortable isolation. All mastery, scientific, creative, entrepreneurial, demands time alone, away from noise and distraction. This isn't glamorous sacrifice, it's a universal principle. Our lack of progress isn't about time, but about the lack of focused, uninterrupted time. You can have constant comfort or deep achievement, not both. The isolation needed isn't just physical, but mental, drawing hard boundaries around your focus. It's a law as real as gravity. Accepting this law brings a quiet shift. Hope is replaced by strategy. You stop hoping for time and start carving it out, sacrificing comfort for progress. The phone becomes a potential thief, not a portal. Every choice is filtered. Does this move me closer to my goal, or just offer fleeting comfort? You become a disciplined person, not just someone trying to be. The struggle turns inward, daily execution, not external distraction. This transformation is private, invisible to others, but it's a revolution within. There are only two principles you need to test this for yourself. They are simple, but not easy. If you truly want to reclaim your agency, you must be willing to experiment with them honestly and see what changes in your life. First, the principle of the sacred hour. Choose one non-negotiable hour each day for your most important work. No phones, no distractions, no excuses. This is your protected time, a daily ritual that signals to yourself what truly matters. This hour is conquered, not found. It's a mirror for your true commitment. You don't wait for it to appear. You carve it out, even when it's inconvenient. Over time, this hour becomes a foundation for your growth. Second, the principle of asymmetrical consumption. For every hour you consume, scrolling, watching, reading, spend an equal hour creating, thinking, or practicing. This is about restoring balance between input and output in your life. This rebalances your life, forcing you to become an active participant, not just a passive consumer. It's a deliberate act of reclaiming your energy and attention and investing it back into yourself. It's uncomfortable, but it reveals the true cost of mindless consumption. You'll notice the urge to distract yourself, and in that discomfort, you'll find clarity about what you value. These principles don't forbid distraction, but they make you pay for it. They force you to acknowledge the trade-offs you're making and to choose more consciously. They demand responsibility for your time and attention. You become the gatekeeper of your own focus and the architect of your own habits. This is how you reclaim agency 1 hour at a time. With each day, you build a life that is more intentional, more creative, and truly your own. These ideas aren't complex. Most will understand, but only a handful will truly act on them. It's easy to nod along, to agree in theory, but much harder to take the first real step. The pull of comfort is strong. It's a gentle gravity that keeps us in place. To escape it requires not just a moment of will, but a sustained daily effort, a quiet rebellion against what's easy. The path of focused work is lonely, paved with small, uncelebrated choices that no one else will see. It's a road where applause is rare, and progress is measured in inches, not miles. There are no crowds, no instant rewards, just the work, the silence, and the quiet satisfaction of slowly becoming who you're meant to be even when no one is watching. Now you see the prison and the key, both are in your hands, and the choice is yours alone. You can stay in comfort or step into the uncomfortable space of your own potential. The unknown is daunting, but it's also where growth lives. The choice isn't made just once. It's made in 1,000 small decisions, repeated every day, in moments when no one else is looking. I've shown you the door. Only you can walk through it, and only you will know what's on the other side.